some cheese and paneer. And even chutney.
Yeah, and oregano.
Oregano.
That is not oregano. And the main bread.
Oregano.
And the main bread.
Okay, so let's
start
first
one by one. Kata, you start.
we put the butter.
Really nicely.
Yeah, spread the butter. Make sure not to cut the sandwich.
We're not making that too. That is not a knife.
I did not got enough butter.
Everyone, in the next cooking show, we can make bread butter. Bread, butter, sugar, these are those. You know what you need to do to make bread butter? You just do the entire bread with that stuff. Bread, butter, sugar. And then cut it in half. Like that and like that. Is it finished?
No, it's too much.
Fruits and vegetables.
What is this?
Yeah.
Just other person.
Okay, this much is okay.
Yeah.
Rajesh, don't cry like a baby.
Let's put some
I'm
butter.
spreading it with my hand.
Why?
You're not.
Fruits and vegetables.
I'm not able to spread with the knife. I'm just cutting it already.
You cutted it.
Butter.
I'm just waiting for a million years.
12 minutes. Baba just do like this.
I know that. I will use the chutney.
Vertical shape. Yeah.
I will use some butter.
I just love butter, guys.
I eat my butter. Eat butter. Hashtag respect butters. Hashtag guys. Hashtag respect butters in the comments. Hashtag respect
Okay, then it's Rajesh's turn, and then if you want to put chutney, then you can put. But I'm just going to
Talkative one. Put this.
put some
Fruits and vegetables.
potato.
Take this, Rajan. Take it.
Put chutney.
Put chutney on the other one. Put chutney on the other one. I'm getting some chutney, guys. I'm getting the chutney.
My favorite potato.
Guys, I'm taking the chutney. So I can put it on the top one. See, I'm fast and
I already have some butter like the top thing.
So let's get some chutney. Yummy. This one.
Self. Let's try how Zidane is doing it.
Okay. Let's see how Zidane can do it.
I did it in few seconds only.
These people are taking time. Yeah. We are.
Sandwich Zidane.
Yeah, bro.
Now I'm putting some paneer on it.
Hey, the chutney is too light.
No oregano. I don't like.
It's not oregano, it's a chaat masala.
Yeah, it's chaat masala.
Chaat masala I also don't like. Oregano.
But if you'll not put the chaat masala, it will not taste nicely.
Yeah.
Oregano. Okay. First time what will you paneer and then.
Bro. So I completed the second loaf of bread.
Can I get that?
Bro. Guys, look, who wants some chutney? Who wants chutney?
Always Rajesh.
Guys, look at our bread. How's it done, yeah?
That is quite enough, Zidane. Yes.
How did you guys take it?
So what you will put after this, Zidane?
We put ingredients. No.
You don't want cucumber? You don't like potato either?
I'll put the cheese over here, then the cucumber, then the potato.
Okay, you can do that yourself.
And now.
Should I open it for you or Katha will do it for you?
Let this open.
Let me get some chaat masala.
Yes.
Zidane wants
You should not open that. You can sprinkle. There is a holes inside. Why you are doing it?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Close the tap properly. Yes.
What's this?
No, not close it properly. You are not closed it. Give it to me. Yes. Put it the cap properly. Yes. Now sprinkle. Did you see?
That's it.
That's enough. Yes. Now give it to
Guys, at
some.
the end of this video,
This
comment
is
down
the
below.
Rajesh, you don't have to cut the potatoes. It's already in the slice. You just put it on like that only. Yes.
What if it is less?
Yeah.
If it's less.
Yeah, you can have it that everything.
Guys, I'm putting up cucumbers.
Just place it nicely on the bread.
Two.
Yes.
using
Katha,
big
put
chunks.
some chaat masala. Otherwise, your
I
sandwich
put it.
will not
I put
taste
it.
nicely. Yes.
Guys, I'm putting some cucumber.
Did you
So I'll
sprinkle
put-
it? You just sprinkle. You don't have to open the cap.
Why do you put cucumber?
No. Just open the top. No, not that, Katha. There are caps here. You can just open that like this.
I'm
Yes.
Putting capsicum.
Oh, that's much.
I'm keeping capsicum.
Yeah. You can keep it.
Yum yum. How did you guys open it? Okay, I'm on it.
Okay.
So you want to put some chaat masala on this top? Otherwise, it will not taste nice, Zidane. I will put some chaat masala like this.
Why can't
Let it.
I open this cheese? How
Wow, that is quite enough potatoes, Zidane. But you have to place.
Oh.
What is the mess you have done?
Bro, I need paneer.
Yeah.
Wow! That's a big mess. Janda did all the mess. No, I didn't.
Yeah,
Yes.
Mama, you did. Why did you kept it over there? You should keep it over in the plate.
Yes. I know that.
Where
So-
should I put this cheese?
You will get a new paneer now.
I am done.
Don't worry.
And I want some tomatoes also.
Okay. So you will get this new paneer that I just get for you.
So-
And Baba, you can finish your bread.
Can I have tomato?
I haven't cut the tomato, but if you want,
I want some.
okay. Can we get some tomatoes chopped?
Let me put some more chaat masala.
This spicy, it's very spicy chutney. If you put it lot of, you will get. If you don't like, then
We are not eating it. I will try.
okay, that's nice, Zidane. Nice. That's enough chutney. Okay, I'll put some more sprinkle on your this.
Are you serious?
Put hashtag Katha, hashtag Jendra,
Yeah.
hashtag Raja,
Now-
hashtag Zidane.
Now close the sandwich.
If you think who is gonna win, give
Okay.
the tomato.
Okay, I am done.
So
Whoever you think is
here
gonna
we get
win.
some tomatoes for Chandra.
Yeah.
Okay, you want your tomatoes
Mine smells
as well? Yeah.
wonderful.
Pass some tomatoes to Rajas as well. Zidane, if you are done with it, just close the sandwich so that I could grill it for you.
Okay, I'm going to put tomatoes over here.
You want to put tomatoes?
No.
Give it him one tomato so that he can also put.
Mine is done.
Not here, on this layer you have to put Zidane.
Guys, mine is done. Mine.
Arey bro, I
Yeah,
also
keep it
need
or in the one side or here only. I will grill it for you, your sandwich.
so much paneer.
You can eat it like that also if you don't want to grill.
My one is big chungus. What does
No spice on the top.
What grill, Dada?
I will grill it on the stove.
I will to eat it.
Oh, one
Don't put chaat masala on the top. Yeah. No.
No.
Katha, no, you should not put that on the top of the bread.
They are making their
But it's yummy.
Yes, but you have to grill it. You can't do that.
But it will just melt.
Okay. So are you done with it? So that I will pause it and I will make a grill for you, all these sandwiches.
Wow, Rajas! That's something.
That's a big chungus.
Yeah, that's
So
big.
you want to put again,
Mine is
you don't want to
big
put a
chungus.
chutney again on the bread?
Here
No? One side chutney enough?
is big chungus, mine is 10 chungus.
No? You have to put both the sides of the bread, chutney and sauces.
10 chungus.
Yeah, you can put it.
Mine is
like big chungus.
Yes.
Mine is 10
Yes, you can put it down, Rajas. Baba, don't pick it up. Kata, if it is done, don't put it on hand so much. And be careful with Rajas bread, otherwise it will fall down.
Fall down.
Yes, it will fall down. Yeah. You want to eat the cucumber now,
I
like
want to
this?
eat some cucumber, boy. Yep. Put it. Didar, can you keep it cucumber?
Baba, that's for the sandwich.
What I
That's enough sandwich. You can put on the top of the bread, Rizdan. You just put it inside the bread and just
I just want
cover it up. Down
cucumber.
here.
You guys
Yes.
have this material, you can also.
Close down. Yeah, that's a nice thing you have done. So what I will do now, I will grill it for Zidane first.
Look
Okay?
at
I'll grill your bread first.
Yes, will my will be grilled?
Yeah, and then I will grill it for Baba, and then for Rajas, and then last for Katha. That is okay?
Yes, Sarah.
Or we will do something else. I will say then I will put it a number behind me, and you have to call out the number whose number it will be. Okay?
And if we get it correct, it's our number.
Yes.
I will call
So whose number is this?
Oh, my.
Okay, so your number will be 2.
Yay!
Okay, so I will count again this number. Zidane, whose number is this?
Mine.
I said to Zidane, whose number is this? Zidane, whose number is behind me?
Random.
Random numbers.
5.
No, you have to say whose number is behind me. The name of the person. You have to say number of the person. Zidane, it's taking quite a lot of time you are taking. Tell me the number. Anyone's number.
Rajesh.
Okay, Rajesh, your number is first now.
Yeah, boy. I knew
Baba, whose number is this?
it.
Zidane, your number is 4. Now you will be go last for the grilling. Okay, so now I'll go
No,
to.
Baba will go last. His number is 5.
No, his number will be 3. Okay. So now I'll pause this video. I'll grill it for you, and then I'll get it back. Okay. So wait.
Sandwiches are ready.
They look so yummy. And now start munching, boys. Start munching.
Okay, let's see how Zidane will taste it.
Let's see his reaction.
Oh, his katha started only.
That's super yummy.
Anybody want sauce with the sandwiches?
No, I don't want.
That's mine.
Okay,
That's
taste
mine.
yours. How's it?
Boom.
Yeah, and here it comes the sauce.
गोड घातलाय नाही नाही आणि तर पायाला लावलेलं चवळलं वेट वेगळं दे त्याला
But Zidane, you have to dip your sandwich and eat.
No eat. It's not eat, man.
Zidane, have one bite, na? Taste it. You made your own sandwich today. You have to taste it. Come on, come on.
I hate vegetables.
Yes, it's okay. You hate the vegetables, but you made your first sandwich, right? Today.
This is
So you should taste it so that you know how it will taste for you.
how we made it.
Okay, one bite. Come on.
You need to show the world what you
Zidane,
love.
one bite. Come on. Hey, cheer for Zidane. Come on. Zidane, 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 Zidane.
Sandwich.
Yeah, yes. You can take this piece instead if it's not coming out. Take this. Come on, you hate vegetables, but you loved it. This sandwich that you made it. Come on, dip into the sauce. Come on, dip into the sauce. Eat. Okay, good.
Take a bite.
Arey, big bite, not small bite. Come on. Oh, what? What you said?
Let it be a small bite.
Oh, you don't want to eat your own sandwich. That is so bad. That means you doesn't like to cook.
I know why he doesn't want to eat because he put a lot of chutney.
No, he put it lots of vegetable. Then why you put so much vegetables when you don't like the vegetables?
What is gonna make them? When we French fries, there is potato and that's a vegetable.
Yeah.
So but it tastes better.
Okay,
when it's
okay.
some-
Katha didn't put any vegetables. You can have Katha's piece instead. She didn't put any vegetables.
Just cheese.
Yes, it's just cheese.
Potatoes I also saw.
But French fries is a potato. You eat French fries. Don't you eat?
And you also eat burgers. So
Okay, have Katha's one piece. Then you will
No, I
know.
didn't eat the burger. I just said the chicken part.
Okay, chicken pat. Okay, so what I say, you can have and taste Katha's piece, no? She didn't put anything. She just put paneer and cheese and potato. You like paneer?
No, but potatoes, I like them when they're dry and they're
Look at this, look at
the
this.
French fries.
Look at this part.
Because the French
Okay.
fries is very good.
What happened?
Look at this part.
What happened to this part?
Cheesy.
Oh wow, this yum yum.
Oh no!
Wow.
Mine.
So
If you have the
look
mushrooms together-
how these are eating so much hungry people.
This is our meal for the night.
This all will go on a YouTube. You will like to see this video on YouTube, Zidane?
This will be our meal for the night.
Oh, Zidane say he doesn't like to see this video. Why, Zidane?
I like watching games of videos
Oh,
where there's back to
This
Jack and all.
is
This is gonna be our meal.
game is not a future. You should try your all the things like
Actually,
fun activities, not just gaming on the mobile. That is not good.
Zidane, you can actually come in our.
I don't watch the videos on phone. I watch it on TV.
Yeah, but you can put the video on YouTube on the TV itself.
Zidane, you can actually play with us Roblox.
Okay, you can go and wash your hands.
So till we will eat our food.
So
But I
now
want to play
I'm about to say bye to everyone. Would you like to say something else before we end this video?
Don't